Hello guys, welcome to this video, and today I'm gonna show you how to use Elementor. Now, first, before I dive into today's video, I want to explain you how Elementor really works. So first we have the WordPress dashboard, right? This is the WordPress dashboard. I have a video where I show you how to use the basics. Here you can see the dashboard, the plugins, the pages, the blog, everything you want to see it here, right? This is the backend of your website. Now, then you have the theme editor. So let's say that, for instance, the theme that I recommend is the Ocean WP. Okay, WP is the one that I recommend. And when you install a theme, it comes with its own editor. So you have to take in mind that these themes are pre-made by web developers, and they come with a certain structure, with a certain configuration that you can edit. You don't have that freedom to put the things exactly how you want them to be. Let's say that, for instance, this is the homepage of the theme, and let's say that they have a background here. If you want to put a video background, you won't be able to do that. Or if you want to put, I don't know, let's say that you want to put a video here, a text, and an image, and a button here. If the template of this theme doesn't have this configuration or doesn't have this structure, you won't be able to do this. So basically, you have a lot of limitation with the themes. Now, here is where Elementor come into place. Elementor is a page builder, okay, that regardless of the theme that you have installed, you will be able to create almost any design you can imagine, okay, because it's a page builder. So in order to use Elementor, you first need to install a theme. But this not necessarily means that you will edit the theme here. You just install the theme and then you just use Elementor. Now, you create a new page. You want to name that home page, for instance. And with Elementor, you just gonna be able to design everything that you want. So this is how it works. With Elementor, you can put an image background, a video background. I'm gonna show you how you can do that, but you can design everything that you want here. If you want to put a button here, you want to put two buttons, if you want to have a section for an image, a section for text, right? A video here, you can do that. You can do multiple things, and this is why I recommend you to get Elementor, because you're gonna have the freedom to design your website however you want, and everything is gonna be live. So if you change something, you wanna see it immediately. So this is something I really like. And now remember that you have two versions. You have the free and the pro version. With the free version, you have the basic elements that, of course, you can use them. If you want to create something basic, you can use them and design something really nice. It works. I started with the free version, but I know that some of you maybe want to have more features. You want to design a better website for your business. And here's where it comes that I recommend you to use Elementor Pro, because you won't have limitation. Basically, you have endless possibilities to create almost any website that you can imagine. Now, some of the things that move me or makes me go with Elementor Pro is that with Elementor Pro, you will be able to create your own header and your own footer. Because if you only use the free version, if you want to edit the footer or the header, you will have to go and do it with the theme editor. So you will have a lot of limitation. But with Elementor Pro, you wanna be able to design everything on your website. So you won't depend at all on this theme. So you wanna be able to design the header, the footer, blogs, archive, multiple things, right? So I highly recommend you to go with Elementor Pro if you want to have all the features. Now, I'm gonna show you how this works in the page builder. Now, right now we are in the Elementor page builder, and well, this is how it works. So we have sections. Is basically the big part of the structure that you want to have on your site. Now, let's say that you want to create the hero section, that is basically the first section below the header. So the hero section, let's say that you want to create something like this. You have these sections, you have columns, and you can create multiple columns, right? And you can add elements. Elements are all these things: image, video, Google Maps, the forms, all these. Now, right now for the hero section, let's say that we're gonna add this section, and we're gonna go to the style tab, and we're gonna go to classic. In classic, we're gonna choose an image, whatever. We're gonna choose this one. So we're gonna insert this media, and there we have it. Now we wanna fix this. We wanna go to layouts. We wanna choose full width, or you can always choose box and choose 1200. And the column height, mean height, let's fix this a little bit. And style, I don't know, let's put this center, and then go to size, cover. So as you can see, now we're gonna put some letters here, but first we're gonna change the background overlay. We're gonna go here, we're gonna choose black, opacity, let's make it like this. Yeah. Now we're gonna put some heading. We're gonna choose the element, we're gonna drag it and drop it here, and you can put your text here and arrange it however you want, and change the color, all that. What else? If you want to put a button, you can put the button below, center it. Let's say that you can put the link here. It's gonna send the user to, I don't know, your services page, your contact page. And now if you want to add more sections, let's say that we want to add another section, and we want to add different things here. What you can do is, let's say that you want to put an image here, and you want to put text. Maybe you want to put I don't know, I'm gonna choose the same image because I only have this one. And you can talk about who you are, what is your business about, you know, a small sneak peek of the about us section. And what else you have several things you can play around, guys. Let's create a form. You want to add a form. Okay, I'm using the Elementor Pro just for you to see what you can do with Elementor. So you can do multiple things with this tool. And let's say that you don't have inspiration on how to use things, you can always go to this folder, and you have different templates, pre-made templates that you can use. The ones that have the Pro badge, you need to have the Pro version in order to use them. Let's say that you want to use this one, just click insert, and it's going to insert the structure, the images, everything on the website. Now there you have it, and here you can play around. You can, if you want to put your logo here, you put your logo. The same, the background, you can change it here. The text, you can change this however you want. And the size, let's say you want to change the color, you want to change the typography. You have a lot of fonts that you can use here, guys. I don't know, whatever you want. The size, bold, you want to make this even bold. You want to change this to lowercase. You can do multiple things. And also, guys, take in mind, I'm gonna share a template that I just created just for you, so you can have your website very fast with the main things every service business website needs. So stay tuned until the end of the video, because I'm gonna show you how I can help you even more, not just to create a website that looks nice, but also the website that actually help you get more leads, get more customers to your business. So stay until the end of the video. And yeah, now you also have the option to add blocks. Blocks are small sections, like for instance, I talk about the hero section. It normally looks like this. Let's say that this one, okay? So this is the hero section. Basically here you have to explain what is your business about, and you have the title, the subtitle, and the call to action, wherever you want to set a person. This is your hero section, right? Now let's say that you want to show up your services. You can go to services and you have different styles that you can use and start designing your services however you want. Now, okay, you have this template. This is how it looks. You have a lot of options, guys. You can choose, you can design your website however you want. The about section, contact forms, all these you can add. Let's say that you want to add Google Maps and a contact form on the footer of your homepage. You can insert this and you want to have it ready fast. And also something I like is that, let's say that you want to change this. I'm gonna change it a little bit. It's gonna maybe something like this, and change the size a little bit bigger, the weight, all that. Yeah, you can copy this, copy and paste the same style. So this is gonna really help you create something even faster. And also you can copy the sections. Let's say that you want to duplicate this section because you really like the structure. You just click here and duplicate, and here you have it, and you can start changing whatever you have to change. And you have this option where you can see how the website looks on tablet and on mobile. Take in mind that this is super important because most of your web traffic, they're gonna use their phone. So you need to make sure that your website looks good on any device. Now, you can edit, let's say that for instance this one is really big. You can also edit everything here and it won't change. If you change the size of this, it won't change how it looks on tablet. It won't change how it looks on desktop. But for instance, if you change, of course, if you change this, you change the letter and you go to the other ones devices, of course it's gonna change. But the design, the structure of these kind of things, it won't change. So this is something really good. Besides that, guys, it's everything that I want to show you. Here you can see the features that the Pro version has. You have a bunch of things: slides, navigation menu, price list, price tables, media carousel, testimonials, reviews, countdown timer, share buttons, a bunch of other things that if you are building a good site that represents your business, then you want to use it, all this. Now I want to show you how I can help you even more. So I just create these bonuses for you guys. So in order for you to get started, you need to get Elementor Pro, and there's gonna be a link below this video, or you can just simply put this link on the browser and you're gonna go to the Elementor page and you're gonna choose the plan that you're gonna need. Now these are the bonuses. When you get Elementor with my link, I'm gonna offer you this. The first one is a Done For You Business website template. This includes the home page, the services page, the about us page, the contact page, your archive where you want to show up your blog posts if you want to create blogs, and your single blog post template. So this is going to help you because basically you have to import the templates that I just designed specifically for you, and you don't have to change anything. It's all optimized. The only thing that you have to do is put your own branding, your own text, your own images. So basically the technical aspect is gonna be done completely for you. I'm also gonna give you a training, a free training where I teach you what you need to create a profitable customer generating website. You need to understand that a website not only have to look good, but it also need to have the right sections that is gonna help you convert users, people that doesn't know about your business, into potential clients. Okay, super important. This, most people get this wrong. They just create design, they just focus on design, but design is not everything. You need to have the right elements on your website, and I'm gonna teach you that inside that training. And I'm also gonna give you access to my private Facebook group, where basically there's gonna be people like you that you want to create the online presence for your business. They want to learn Facebook ads, they want to learn about funnels. Basically a private group where you can go and ask for questions. If you need help maybe creating your own website, you need to know something, you can always ask. I'm gonna be there as well, providing value all the time, so you can always keep update on what I'm doing or how you can improve your site. And this has a total combined value of $1,691, but by just getting Elementor Pro, I'm gonna give you that for free. You send us an email at support@jordanvelasquez.com with the email address you use to purchase Elementor Pro, and I'm gonna send you the bonuses. So this is my way to help you even more. Now, if you need more help, guys, you don't want to deal with all this, you want to focus on your own thing, then you can go to jordanvelasquez.com/call and schedule a call with my team and let's have a friendly talk. Let's see how we can help you out. So basically that's it, guys. I hope that you find this video helpful. See you in the next one.